Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare the Xiaomi Band 9 and Huawei Band 9. The Xiaomi Band 9 and Huawei Band 9 are both popular fitness trackers with distinct. The Mi Band 9 is known for its vibrant AMOLED display and extensive fitness tracking features. The features of Xiaomi Mi Band 9 are heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and over 100 sports modes. Additionally, it has a sleek design, a lightweight build, and offers a long-lasting battery life of around 14 days. It also integrates seamlessly with the Xiaomi ecosystem and offers advanced health metrics at an affordable price point. The Huawei Band 9 offers similarly compelling AMOLED display, but it focuses more on professional-level health tracking. It also includes features like stress monitoring and wide range of support modes, though typically fewer than the Mi Band 9. Huawei's ecosystem integration is robust, particularly for users who are already using Huawei smartphones and services. Battery life is comparable, with up to 14 days of usage, but Huawei's Band may offers better accuracy in metrics. In my opinion, the Xiaomi Mi Band 9 offers better value with more features for fitness tracking, while the Huawei Band 9 focuses more on design and battery life. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.